So, in today's video, we're gonna see about QR decomposition. So, what is QR decomposition? So, QR decomposition is a method in linear algebra used to decompose a matrix into product of two matrices, that is Q and R. So, where Q is the orthogonal matrix and R is the upper triangular matrix. So, it is used in various fields like solving linear system, least square problems, eigenvalue computation, data science and machine learning, computer graphics, signal processing, etc. and many more. So the code to implement QR decomposition algorithm using the Gram-Schmidt method is this. So the first step is we have to import the standard library, that is NumPy, as NP. Next, we are defining a function named QR decomposition in which we are giving A matrix as a parameter. Next, we are defining the dimension of the A matrix, that is n comma m, using the shape function. The next step is we are defining three matrices, that is Q, U and R, where U is used for temporary calculation purpose. Q and U, we are defining it as an empty matrix of dimension n comma n and R as the zero matrix of dimension n comma m. The next step, we are taking the first column of the A matrix in the U matrix. Now the next step is that we are dividing that U matrix divided by the normalized form of that U matrix. So that would be the first column of the Q matrix. Now next, using the for loop, like for each column of A matrix, we remove the parts of the that overlap with the previous Q vectors. Okay, then we normalize the result to get a new column of Q matrix. Now, next step, the next for loop, we are finding the R vector, that is R matrices. Here we compute the values of the upper triangular matrix R using the dot product between the A and Q. The next step, we are printing the Q matrix and the R matrix. So this is what the function definition is. So next we are getting the input from the matrix, input matrix from the user and calling the QR decomposition function. So the outcome of the code is that the code computes the QR decomposition of a square matrix, meaning it finds two matrices, that is Q and R. Thank you.